started a new project.
Well, we found we had a pinhole leak in our pressure tank. So we had to make that a priority and worked on this project. So we
That's
had to
a pressure tank to the well.
Oh yeah, had to have water.
Yeah.
So we went down and bought a bigger pressure tank with more capacity. And we're just measuring and figuring out how we're going to get that inside of there.
Yeah, it was a little tight, but we were able to lift it up and over.
Yep, we got
and
it
get it installed
and plumbed.
Yep.
Adjusted the pressure on the bladder, and everything works great.
Now we're back to the deck.
Yep.
We're going to have the front deck installed, and we hired a crew at a Corpus, and here they are.
Yep. They brought all the lumber, everything they needed, all the tools. And the first thing they did was, because we wanted it to be a floating deck, we did not want it attached to the house.
Yeah.
So all these 4x4 posts that are going into the ground are all concreted in. Nothing is attached to the house, so the house can settle if it needed to, and the deck had nothing to do with it.
Like we said on our previous video, this deck was also attached to the house.
Right.
So it was causing it to sink as well, as far as the paver sinking.
Right, and rotted the wood.
Yeah, and it rotted the wood.
Right, so we're not going to do that again.
Nope, so that was pretty awesome. They were able to make it freestanding, which it was a must.
Yeah,
we had to have it.
Yeah, we did not want it attached to the house because, again, the weight, the moisture, and the way things were done.
And now they're done. It only took them about, 2.5 days, basically?
It was, 2 days. I think it was 2 days total.
Yeah.
So
it was awesome. It turned out great, and it really matches the house well. It gives it pretty much curb appeal with it being, a wood deck.
Right.
And we're going to stain it at a later date.
Yeah, it's gonna take about 6 to 8 months to dry out. Because it's pressure treated, so we want it to dry out some, get the wetness out, and then go ahead and stain it.
And then we're also going back and we're going to put some lattice around the porch. This way we don't have to worry about anything going underneath.
Right, no critters underneath.
Yeah.
Having a litter or babies or whatnot.
Any of that stuff.
Yeah, keeping any other critters out.
And Joy is definitely enjoying being out on the new porch.
Oh, I don't blame her. Nice and shaded. Sun's not hitting the front anymore, so it's nice.
Yep, we appreciate them doing it for us. It made our life a lot easier than us tackling it.
Most definitely. Come out, drink coffee in the morning,
and
have a great time, and there's the lattice.
Yeah, it turned out wonderful.
That didn't take long at all.
Yep, leave us a comment.
Yeah.
Tell us what you think.
Yep, let us know if you like it.
We think it's awesome.
Yeah.